Good morning, it's Dennis and Wade. Today, from Western Material Handling, today we're looking at our stock number D21048. It's a 2007 Yale 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. This forklift has extremely low hours. It's running 189-inch triple mast. Traction drives, smooth cushion steers. Wade's going to run it up in the air, 189 inches in the beautiful Colorado sky. 15 feet 9 inches. 3-stage lift with full free lift, of course. It's showing us the forward tilt, back tilt. This forklift's equipped with side shift, around 7 inches of side-to-side movement. It's a nice lift. We've got a lot of nice lifts like this at Western Material Handling in Denver or Fort Collins. If you use a lift like this, please go to our website, abetterforklift.com. Thanks for looking at our video. We appreciate it.